This is the elevator in the chapel/auditorium of the Pittsburgh Theological Seminary in East Liberty, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Look at this. I don't know what kind of fixtures these are yet, but it's an old swing door gated elevator. Look at that. Oh, it's a small elevator. It's a Marshall. In case fire not use elevators. Let's close the gate. There's your certificate. Basically the brass version of another elevator fan. Let's go down. Hydraulic, I believe. Oh, this elevator is amazing. Completely original, I would say. It's a Marshall here downstairs. Don't know what kind of fixtures these are. Someone can probably tell me. Here's it downstairs. Let's go back up. Yes, hydraulic. There's a certificate. Marshall elevator. Pretty basic old cab. No smoking. This is a very small elevator. Open the gate. Door closes when I shut it. I like that. And that's it.